Because here's where this governor arm inside should be touching this, and it's pushing it out. And this is, look at this, it's only got, I'm talking, it ain't even getting close to the governor. So it's almost like this linkage is binding up. It does hit there against the...
When heating up the bike like this, it's sometimes easy to have a spot that isn't completely heated while the entire...
Looks like it's hitting the side of the carburetor where it mounts there. Won't go any further, and the throttle's all the way open, like that.
When it comes out of the jig, or it may not flatten completely in the section. So it's just important that the entire limb is completely heated all the way to the handle line and a little bit beyond that.
Turn the light on there for a second. That's it. Might have to adjust it on the other end of this thing and get it down, bring it all the way down, and then make sure that the carburetor butterfly is all the way open while this is all the way down and on top of here, right? I think that's how it goes. And then set it up top. Is that how it works?